Hey, y'all. Allie here, back with Creator Spicy Tea, and today we have a Telegram resource. So, I personally love Telegram for so many reasons. Not only is it where I make my most money, but also it has some of the most robust privacy features of any chat app I have ever seen. Honestly, any app I've really been into and used. One of those features is called secret chats. Now, when one of the most recent updates rolled out, I had thought secret chats kind of went out the window with it. But I dug and I found it, and I'm so excited about that, y'all. I figured today, just in case anyone else out there was like, darn it, they took it away. No, they didn't. They hid it. So today we're going to go over secret chats, the benefits of them, why us adult content creators can really utilize them, and kind of how to find them and what features they have. So why would we need things like secret chats? So thinking about having one-on-one sessions on Telegram, let's say you're doing a cam call, right? What's the number one concern there? Screen recording, right? Someone's going to screen record you and then send it off, redistribute it? No, not okay. Or let's say you're having a session. I don't actually think I can say that word. Let's say you're having one of those sessions in which you send spicy pictures and videos of yourself back and forth on the platform. Do you catch my drift? I hope so. Let's say you're having that. What's the concern there? They're going to download your content, redistribute it. Big no to that too, right? Secret chats helps hugely prevent that. So what are secret chats first? Reading directly here from Telegram saying what they are. Secret chats use end-to-end encryption. Love it. They leave no trace on their servers. Love that too. They have the option for a self-destruct timer, and we'll go over that later with y'all, I'm just going to apologize ahead of time. I had to use my phone to record my screen. It's bad, but we did our best. And they don't allow forwarding, downloading, copying, none of that. It blocks all of that entirely, bringing it back to the concerns I mentioned earlier with screen recording and downloading your content. Secret chats are a way to prevent that completely. First things first, let's go ahead. Let's look at how to start a secret chat now that things have been moved around and hidden in the corner. All right, so if we remember, finding secret chats used to be a lot easier. It used to be go down to the pencil, like you're gonna start a chat, and there was an option right here. Obviously, that option is gone since one of the more recent updates, but it's still an option to have a secret chat. It's just a little bit more hidden. What we're going to do, you're going to click the profile name. Then up here in this corner, there's that three-dot menu. Give that a tap. And as you can see right here, there's still that option to start a secret chat. So go ahead, give that a click. And you're going to click start, and bam, you're in the secret chat. Now we know how to start a secret chat, right? Let's talk a little bit more about what if someone tries to still screenshot or screen record or any of that, okay? So think about Android and iOS, because the secret chats feature works different for each of them. We're going to start with Android first because it's easy. You can't screenshot. You can't screen record. Your device will not allow it to happen. So that's easy peasy, perfect. We love it. iOS though, she's a tricky girl. She's a little bit trickier. So she will allow you to screenshot the chat. Yep, she will. But two things are going to happen. You're going to get notified, and it's going to look like this. And on top of that, whatever screenshot they take is going to be an empty chat. There's going to be no text, no images. It's going to be a completely blank, empty chat. So it'll have your username at the top showing who's in the chat, and then nothing else. We like it. We don't love that they could still try that screenshot, but I do love the notification. And I do love the fact that it basically wipes the chat for the screenshot itself. Now, I had mentioned earlier that another aspect of secret chats is the self-destruct timer. So what does that kind of mean? What you could do with a self-destruct timer once you set it up is it is going to automatically go through, and once the allotted amount of time has passed that you designate when setting it up, it will just automatically delete the messages. They just get completely wiped. Let's go ahead really quick, look at how to set that up and kind of just what that self-destructing message is going to look like. To enable the disappearing chat timer within secret chats, you're going to go to this 3-dot menu here, give that a tap. And if you can see in this terrible recording of a screen, we're doing our best here, you can set self-destruct timer. If you give that a tap, it opens up this menu. You can set it to longer. Basically, you have just about all options you can imagine up to 1 week. So let's say we want a message to last for 4 seconds. What we would do is we send a message, any message. So as soon as it's been seen, it will last for 4 seconds. And then, just like that, disappear. All right, to kind of close this out, and I really hope some of that made sense. I'm sure not all of it, but I hope some of it did. Again, the reason I personally love secret chats is because it prevents screen recording in cam calls, right? And it prevents anyone from downloading our content from our chat or forwarding our content from our chat or saving it or copying the messages we write. It prevents all of that. Secret chats are a really great feature in Telegram's robust multiple features for privacy, safety, and security, helping make this app, Telegram, my favorite one to utilize for my adult content creation. All right, y'all, once again, hope that made sense. Hope that kind of helped you find them again if you already knew about them and was already utilizing them. And I genuinely hope that you are staying safe, sane as we can get these days, and I hope you are goddamn flourishing.